In this video, I'm going to show you how to save the effects in the show file. So in this way, you can build your own effects library. So let's jump to the software. Let me play the effect again. Let's change it a little bit. I'm going to add wings, change the selection to snake, ramp down. And okay, I'm happy with that. To save an effect, I will simply click on this big button here. And then this dialog will open. Let me take down the 3D now. Here you can save your effects, move them around, copy an effect, delete, or you can create a new effect. So I'm gonna create a new effect here. Let me call this snake, 2 wings. Now I have this effect running. Let me recall another effect. Did you notice that when I recalled this effect, this button turned green? This means that this effect is exactly as it was saved. If you change anything here, it will turn to yellow. So you know this effect is the last one that you called, but it was added in some way. And now let's recall this effect we just built together. And you can see that it matches what we've built. The show file comes with some template effects, but you're free to update them using the create and update button or just delete all of them. You can save different effects on each layer. They're all independent. So let's say if you want to save your effects 2 layers for faster effects, for drop effects, you can do this by using different effects here and maybe slower effects on your effects 1 layer. But you also have the option to save the effects you created in other layers than the one you created it. Let me show you. I'm gonna play an effect here. Let me change the shape, width, the face, and let me apply some wings. So I have this effect going, and if I want to save in every layer, what I need to do is change to multi-layer mode and select the other layers I would like this effect to be saved. So let me select FX2, Attack Effects, and DimFX. I'm gonna delete an effect here. I'm gonna change to create or update. Also, if you're on select mode and click on an empty slot, it's gonna ask if you want to save since it's empty slot. Record, save it, and here in the other layers, the old effect was overwritten. You can also export or import the effects from one show to another, or clean the effects. Let me just do a backup before this. So let's say if I want to clean the effects, the show effects, let me select all layers, confirm, and all of my effects are gone. So I can start then from scratch. How many effects you can save per layer depends on your tier. On basic tier, you can save up to 10 effects. Advanced, you can save up to 20 effects. And if you're in pro mode, you can save up to 99 effects. And if you're in pro mode, you have this tab called category configuration, where you can add more lines, change how many columns you have, or add a different category. So let's add one more here. And this way, we can organize our effects in a better way. You can also change the order for the categories. And delete. And now that you understand how to build your own effects library, in the next videos, we will take a deeper look on each effects layer.